Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is the holiday season, and I love making desserts for the holidays. And today we are making a pecan pie. I am so excited because growing up, this was a dessert that I always wanted to try. So this is super duper duper simple, but delicious. All right, so with the pecan pie, I do not make my own crust. So I started out with an already made crust. You layer it with your pecans, a nice thick layer because they all rise up, and the pecans is the star of the show. After that, in a bowl, you mix all of your other ingredients. So you mix your sugars, you mix the eggs that are already beaten, you mix in the butter. Make sure the butter is already melted. So mix in the butter, you mix in the salt, then you mix in your vanilla, and then comes another star of the show, the light corn syrup. You mix all of that, make sure it's mixed well, and then you pour that right on top of the pecans. Now you will start to see some of them kind of bubble up to the top. That's okay because as they bake, they will all come up. So you'll start to see some of those bubble up to the top. Fill it to the brim and then pop it in the oven. Now make sure you put foil around the end so that your edges don't burn. Pop it in the oven at 350 the first 30 minutes and then take it out. Take your foil off and then add another 20 minutes. Put it back in the oven for 20 minutes, and then my friends, you will have a pecan pie to die for. I promise you, your friends and family will love it. I can't wait to try this. And head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this full recipe. I promise your family will thank you for it. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.